everyone, welcome to the Flexibility Workshop intro. I'm Arundathi Yasok. This is going to be a 90-minute workshop for ladies only. I'll be starting off by sharing some tips for a healthy and flexible spine. Then we'll be doing the warm-ups, then mobility drills so you can go deeper into the yoga poses. But don't worry, if you have never ever done yoga, you still can join because practicing yoga with me is all about honoring everyone's journey because we're all different. Everyone has different mobility ranges, so don't worry. If you need like a full breakdown of exactly what's going on, it'll be in the description either above or below depending on where this video might be. And if you do decide to join the workshop, you have to make the payment and register before the 23rd of June. But after you come for the workshop and you're not happy, you're not completely happy, I will refund the money, so please do not worry. And if you have any questions, please email me or DM me on any of my social accounts. And I guess I'll see you soon. Bye for now.